welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you these two rustic farmhouse fall decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. Yeah, so let's get started. For our first DIY, these are the materials that we will be using. The pizza pan from Dollar Tree, beads. These beads I got it from the thrift store, but I also have this Amazon beads. It has 1,000 pieces, and I will just link it on the description box below. And I will also use this Rust-Oleum spray paint and white spray paint from Walmart. Then I spray painted the beads and the pizza pen. I waited 20 minutes before flipping the beads and then I gave it another coat. And I waited 30 minutes before going back inside and put the stickers. I tried to put the Dollar Tree stickers but it doesn't fit the whole word. So I made the fall and favorite using my scan and cut. But if you don't have a machine, Dollar Tree or Walmart carries good and beautiful stickers, so that will work too. And then I just lay out the letters before pressing it down, and once I'm happy with how it look, I just press it down. And then after that, I went back outside to spray paint it with the Home Depot spray paint. It's the white one and it's only 98 cents instead of the Walmart spray paint. I like this Home Depot one because it gives me a good finished look. And after that, I went back inside once it is dry. I waited 1 hour for this part and then I peeled off the stickers. After peeling it off, it looks like this. It doesn't look perfect, but that's what I like. On my sign, I want it to be a rustic and weathered look. And here I am drawing some line using my pencil and I painted it with my black acrylic paint. I just draw a kind of straight line and then I use my burnt umber to make that faux wood, and I just use a small paint, the same paint brush, and then I also have this paper towel to dab the excess paint. Don't be scared to do this, just have fun. I'm not even thinking where will I put the paint. I just randomly putting it on the sign. So just have fun doing this. It's not that so hard. And after that, I attach the beads on the side of the pizza pan. Just put a lot of hot glue so that it will not gonna come off. And I brought out all of my stamps because it says the fall is my favorite color, so I added a lot of colors like fall colors, and then I just tied it with the twine and hot glue it on the sign. And then I made a simple bow using the Dollar Tree ribbons, and this raffia ribbons is also from Dollar Tree. And then after that, I added more distressing to have that rustic look, and I also distressed the beads. And lastly, I used the Rust-Oleum gloss clear to seal the paint, and tada! We have this beautiful fall sign. You can put it on your door, hang it on the wall, or on your mantel. For our second DIY, I grabbed this sign from Dollar Tree. I remove it from the stick and I only cut the long one with the word home, and I draw zigzag, and I use my box cutter to cut the zigzag that I draw. And I was so surprised how easy it is to cut this wood. I feel like I just trace the zigzag using the cutter and put pressure on it and snap. It's so easy, and I just went back to clean some of the remaining wood, and I also sand it down to smooth it out. I did the same thing on top and on the other side of the wood. Then for the other side of the pumpkin, I just used the one that we cut. I just trace it to have even sides of the pumpkin, and it looks like this. After that, I grab my sandpaper to remove the glitters and so that the paint will gonna have a good surface to stick to. And I used the Rust-Oleum chalk line and white. I gave it two coats, and I just use my black acrylic paint to draw a straight line to have a shiplap look. And again, we're gonna make this like a forward shiplap, so I also use my burnt amber to distress the wood. And this is the stick that we removed from the sign earlier, and I just cut it in half, and I will lay out the painted wood, and I use hot glue to attach it. Hot glue is good enough for this project. It's hold it sturdy and strong. Then after gluing it down, I grab my burnt amber acrylic paint and this circular paintbrush. It's really good for this project, and Dollar Tree carry this kind of paintbrush. So I just dab it on the sides to have that rustic and weathered look. And I also used the same paintbrush to make that forward. I just lightly brush it on the sign and until I'm happy with how it looked. And after that, if you remember the windmill of Dollar Tree have this welcome sign, I used the windmill from my last project and I have this welcome sign. So it's time for me to use it on this project. I just cut a cardstock and hot glue it together, and I use my super gel and hot glue to attach it. I always call that super gel. It's a super glue gel and it's from Dollar Tree. I always love using that. And yeah, for the top of the pumpkin, I use the same or the wood that's from the stick that we used earlier. I just draw this kinda, I don't know what shape is this, and then I just cut it with the scissors. It's really easy to cut this wood. I'm so surprised. And after that, I just painted this or sand it down and painted it with the burnt amber and hot glue it on top of our pumpkin. And after that, I also arrange some maple leaf and ribbons to complete the look. And also, I just want to say thank you to all of my amazing subscribers and a special shout out to Tara and Deborah. Thanks for always supporting my channel, guys. I love you all and keep it up. Yes, and here I'm just adding some twine so that we can hang the sign. Oh, and I added this pine cone to finish the look. And it looks great. It turned out great. I really love how it turned out. It looks like this. And by the way, it's not yet done. I found this home sign. This is also from Dollar Tree. I removed the welcome sign and I just painted the home sign with the black acrylic paint, gave it two coats, and I changed it with this home sign. And I'm so happy with how it looks. I just used the wood glue and hot glue to have that strong and fast result. And I'm really happy of how it turned out. I love this home sign and I would really keep this sign and tada! It's hanging on my door. I really love how it turned out. So tell me on the comment below what's your favorite, the number one or number two or number three. I think I made three three DIY on this project. Yeah, so bye bye guys. See you on my next DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It will help a lot on my channel. Yeah, so bye bye guys. God bless, and I love you all.